how to access passwords in any iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that iPhone has introduced its own app where you can save all of your passwords? But you don't know how to access it, then I'll show you how to do it. So usually iPhone downloads the passwords app for you when you update your iOS, but if it has not been downloaded automatically, then you can go to your app store and then you can go to the search bar at the bottom right, and then you can search for the passwords app. So it is the top one. You can just tap on it, and if it is not already downloaded, you can tap on get and download it, and then you can just open it up, and all the passwords that you have saved will appear here. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.